Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a brief explanation about the title of this video, Perfect Pairings. Okay, what I'm intending to do with this is eventually it's going to be a playlist so that if you are trying to do a makeup look using a specific color, you'll be able to type the name of the color into the search bar of my channel page, and then you'll be able to find a makeup look using a specific color. And it will give, these videos will give you an idea of what products to use and what colors to pair with a certain color. So we're going to start today with Plum, and I'm going to use Plum and Gray. So I already have my base makeup done, and the product that I'm going to use as my blush and highlighter is the Jeffree Star Icy Execution Skin Frost. This is a hybrid product that is a blush and a highlighter. So I'm just going to dip my brush in there, and it's a blush and a highlighter, and I'm really hoping that this is going to be like a full line of products at some point, because right now this I got in my Supreme mystery box at Halloween, but yeah, I'm hoping that this is going to eventually be a full line, because I love this idea of a blush and a highlighter together and not using separate products. So this color ties into the whole plum idea. And for my eyes, I'm going to use the Gothic Beach palette. There is a shade in here called Macabre Manners. And this is like a gray mauve, I would say. Yeah, it's like a gray mauve. So I'm going to use that on my lids. So I'm going to grab this shader brush and dip into that. I'm going to put that all over my lid. This is a beautiful shade. But yeah, I would call that a gray, but it's a cross between gray and mauve. And now I'm going to switch to this larger crease type brush. And there is a plum in this, a deep plum called Fishnet Fix. So this is a deep matte plum. I'm going to dip my brush in there, and we're going to put that in the crease. So the mauviness of that gray, if mauviness is even a word, helps these two pair together easier, because plum is in the purple family, and of course mauve is a purple. But pairing it with the grayness of it just makes them a great pair. All right, so I kind of stamped that on there. and blend it into the outer part of the lid. And I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm just going to blend the edge a little bit just so that it's not so harsh. And then I'm going to take a small pencil brush and I'm going to go into Fishnet Fix and just pick up a little bit of that. And I'm going to take it right along the lower lash line. So this is a very like grungy type look. And I'm going to take my Maybelline Tattoo Studio gel pencil liner in the shade Intense Charcoal. And I'm going to run that on the waterline. And I'm going to go back to the brush that I used to apply that plum color. And I'm just going to refine this outer area a little bit. Just kind of blend that some more. Like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my brow palette that I used. And there's a shade in here called Brow Light that you should, in theory, be able to use as your highlight shade with any look that you do. So I'm going to need another clean brush. Let's take this brush here. And I'm going to pick up some of that. And just brush that on as my highlight shade. And also pop some in the inner corner. I'm going to take my eyelash curler and curl my lashes. And like I always say, be patient with this because this isn't going to do anything if you don't let it do its thing and take the time. I'm going to use my Beauty Intuition mascara. And I had a little label on here. Here we go. Beauty Intuition Big Long Lashes. Whoa. I'm going to have to tape that on because that doesn't want to stay. It would have been so much nicer if they had actually written the name of the product on the tube. I always start with the lower lashes because then I don't get transfer from up above. This this mauve slash gray shade, Macabre Manners. Oh my God, this is such a complex but beautiful shade. I feel like it goes so well with the plum. Just really take my time with my mascara so that we don't have any mishaps. All right, I'm gonna shut the camera off and do the other eye, and then we will move on to the lips. All right, let's move on to the lips. Yeah, I love these two colors together. I think these two pair so well. Okay, on my lips, I'm going to use one of the new e.l.f. Cream Glide lip liners in the shade Plum and Get It. And I'm going to line my lips. These liners are only $2 and they're really good. I think right now they're only available on the e.l.f. website, but eventually I think they will be in stores. Okay, so I'm not filling in, I'm just lining. And then for a lipstick, I'm going to use one of the e.l.f. O-Face Satin Lipsticks in the shade Smolder. And this is a plum. And then what we are going to do is we're going to take just a little bit of the e.l.f. lip oil in the shade Jam. Let's see. Jam Session. I was going to say that, but I didn't trust myself. I need to trust my instincts. To me, these lip oils are like a lip oil gloss hybrid. They're not like a straight up lip oil like you used to, and they're definitely not just a regular lip gloss. But I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of this. Just going to dab that on top. And just give it a little bit of shine and moisture. So that is the complete look. So plum and gray, but the gray is a gray mauve hybrid. But that is my first perfect pairing. Thanks for watching, guys. Give this a thumbs up if you like this kind of content.